Light, natural, and glowing, this is my signature makeup look with a very playful twist for summer. I recently stepped out of my comfort zone and colored my hair purple, and I'm loving it! So I decided to play with vibrant summer colors to add fun to our fresh summer makeup. This tutorial is also my entry for IAMFREEDOM Makeup Awards. Please support me! Alright, on to the tutorial. After the moisturizer with sunscreen, I'm applying primer to control oil and to make the makeup long-lasting. For the base, I'm using a very lightweight, light to medium coverage foundation. Watery in consistency, and you can easily apply it with your fingers or with a synthetic brush. The coverage is buildable, you just have to let the first layer dry and then you can put another layer. For me, this is the perfect medium for a no makeup. If you have more pigmentations that you'd like to conceal, you can always get a cream concealer like this and dab away. And always set your concealer with powder to avoid creasing. With a small brush, I'm just powdering the concealed and oil-prone areas, definitely keeping that dewy finish. I like using waterproof products for my brows since I live in a very humid tropical country. I like my brows still natural looking and a little bit bushy to make me look a little younger. To further define your brows, you can use a concealer or this eyelid primer. I use the flat end of this brush for a more precise application. And of course, apply the product all over my eyelids. Even if I don't wear eyeshadow on a daily basis, it's nice to control the oil on that area. Flip the brush and use the fluffy end to apply the skin tone eyeshadow, basically setting and neutralizing the overall lid color. Then pick up the light brown color and slightly shade the outer V of your eyes. Looks very natural yet slightly defined. We are going to do the same thing for the eyeline. Instead of drawing a dramatic cat eye, we're just going to tightline with a black gel liner and smudge that to the lash line to make the lashes look fuller. I also like to extend and drag the eyeline down to make my eyes look bigger and cuter. A simple makeup technique that makes quite a nice difference. Then go ahead and give your lashes a generous amount of mascara and curl them to make your eyes look more alive. Looks better, right? Then I just lined my lower waterline with a matte white pencil to make them look brighter. Easy way to add color and dimension to your face is through this bronzer stick. Blend it with a synthetic brush for that natural bronzed look. Since this is a cream type product, after all of the blending, set it with a translucent powder to keep it in place. Load the powder on a fluffy brush and tap it to the bottom to evenly distribute the powder on the brush. Then lightly setting the bronzed areas. So fluffy! I use this liquid coral blush to add more color and sheen. I apply that on the apples of my cheeks using my fingers. And to further fake that glow, apply your favorite highlighter. Brush that gently on the highest points of your cheeks and don't forget to marry it with your bronzer and blush. And it must be a taboo, but I like putting highlighter on the apples of my cheeks to make my cheeks look plumper. For the lips, I opted for this creamy pink lipstick, then dabbed a little bit of red gloss on the inner rim of the lips for that juicy gradient lips. Then seal the deal with a makeup setting spray. And this is my signature makeup look. But we are not done yet. Time for some colors. We can get away with bright, vivid colors only during summer, so let's take advantage of that. Dab a lot of translucent powder on the under eye to aid in sweeping off any fallouts later. I applied this light peach color all over my eyelids as a transition color. And with the same fluffy brush, I got this brightest orange and concentrated that on the outer corner, then slightly sweeping that in. I mixed this deeper orange and brown and applied that on my crease line with a denser brush. And picked up this vibrant yellow and put that on the inner third of my eyelid. Just pack the color and blend that with the orange hues. Then go back to the dense brush and pick up the brightest orange and put that on the lower outer corner. For a more exciting look, I wanted to have a bright blue eyeliner, and I'm making my own by putting 1 drop of liquid eye primer that served as a mixing and waterproofing medium for my eyeshadow. This way you can make any color of eyeliner that you want. These colors are complementary colors, so I thought they would pop more. Here I'm just brushing off the excess powder and finally applied my falsies, binding the falsies with my real lashes and further darkening my lash line. To balance the party of colors on the upper eyelid, I decided to line my lower lash line purple, inspired by my hair, by this gem, and a client that I had last week who had a purple eyeliner as well. She looked so phenomenal. I use a pink lip pencil as a base and set that with a purple powder and smudging that with a little bit of orange. Do the same thing on the other eye, but for the eyeliner, I present to you another alternative. Liquid lipsticks are known to be waterproof and long-lasting. You can mix your eyeshadow directly with it and line your eyes, or you can use it as a base and wait for it to dry, then apply your desired color on top of it. Here I mix the same sky blue and Pantone colors. And that's it for the eye makeup. Here I'm just touching up my bronzer and contour. Staying away from blush for this look since it's pretty obvious the eye makeup is the star of the show. I also switched the pink lips to a nude one and dab some orange pigments on the inner rim of the lips to tie up this vibrant summer makeup look. Hope you enjoyed and you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also wish me luck to make it to the top 30 of I Am Freedom, the search for the pro artist. Thanks for watching.